What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I just got to my secret spot. I've been coming here for years. I'm gonna ride some hills today. There's some great rolling hills right about this way. I'm gonna get a level on it with my phone, but right now I'm just intrigued. There are two hawks searching for prey. There's a big and a small one. I don't know if you guys can see them at all, but these birds are big. Big, majestic birds. So cool though. Stepped out of my car at first when I got here, and one of them flew like right over my car. See, look, he's coming for me right now. It's so sick. He's got at least a 3.5 foot wingspan, maybe 4 feet. Like, that is one of the bigger hawks I've seen. Oh, he's coming, he's swooping around. Dude, that's a big bird. Yeah, they were flying right over my car before. Anyway, I'm up here recording today, and I'm going to do some rolling hills on the MTen3. See how it fares. I don't think it'll do too bad, but these are the hills I'm working with. Hey, baby. I'm walking it right now because I'm going to get a level on it. I'm going to get to probably the steepest part, get my phone out and just get a general level consensus. I don't know if you guys can see that. My phone is saying 10 degrees, maybe? Yeah, it's saying 10 degrees. I'm up here, pretty far up. So we're gonna see. We're gonna see how the M10 does. That took that hill pretty nice. I'm not upset. Oh, also wanted to mention, not wearing the Jordans today, wanted to try some Adidas 4D. I have like 4 pairs of these, and I thought, why not try them on the EUC? The sole is super comfy. The upper is a little more stable than an Ultra Boost, or the bunches of Ultra Boosts that I have. And I think it works really good. It's a nice low top. It's got some suede around it, which kind of helps keep your foot in place because it's not all a knit upper. And the 4D midsole feels really nice when I'm riding. It's not squishy, but it's not stiff. Woo! Just look at this view though. And this is a steep hill too. This is crazy up here. The MTen3 isn't struggling up the hill, but you could definitely tell that it's getting some much needed exercise. I barely take this thing on any hills. This is awesome though. These hills are rad. See how steep that hill is over there? Oh, she's getting it. Little MTen3 is getting it. If you see over yonder, there's even more hills. These hills are about a mile to the road that I drove in off of. So to get to that cul-de-sac spot that I was in, it's about a mile of rolling hills, which is pretty freaking awesome. All right, time to go back. MTen3 is a little torque monster. It's got a lot. Oh. Here we go. Sketchy. Just a little sketchy. Whew. It is windy up here though. Oh, the M10's loving this. Now this isn't gonna be a long video. I just wanted to bring it here to test these hills, and it is a joy. Look how steep this is. I don't know if you can tell by the angle. Woo! She is getting it. Oh, I just got hit by a bug in the arm. That was bizarre. Now, that was definitely no surprise to me. I just didn't know how good it would do. I knew the M10 would make it, and it passed with flying colors. I am on the lighter side though. I'm around like 120 pounds. So I think if there was like a little heavier rider, like maybe around like 180-ish, this thing would probably struggle up this hill because it sounds like it's struggling right now, but it's doing just fine. It's just, you hear a lot more motor whine because it's needing a lot more torque to get it up the hill and to keep itself level. But this is great though. These hills up here, nice. The roads are relatively nice for the most part. It's just windy as hell. But the scenery, now definitely with a bigger wheel, riding these hills would be a lot more fun, but that time will come. I'm still enjoying the crap out of this little M10. Damn it, I didn't even connect to darkness spot again. This is gonna be a trend in all my freaking videos. All right, so I just rode those hills. The M10 did great. I cannot complain, but now it's really freaking hot It's like mid 90s right now. Yeah, it's not as hot as some other places in the United States right now, but it's hot enough for me to not want to ride anymore because my helmet is soaked now. My shirt's soaked. You know, it doesn't look like it because my dumbass wanted to wear all black today in the sun. So yeah, really hot. And I'm just going to pretty much pack up my stuff and head home. This will be the outro. I just wanted to make a short video for you guys, just testing the M10 on some pretty steep hills. When I come back up here, I'll make sure to get some action shots, just riding the hills, like more so, different camera angles and stuff like that. As of right now, it's really windy. I have a little crappy tripod and my camera already blew over, so I'm not trying to risk cracking like a little lens cover or a screen or even breaking one of my mics. So I'm calling it a day. I hope you guys enjoyed this, hopefully, short video. I don't want this to be more than 10 minutes because this would be excruciating to just watch me talk. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching. If you liked the video, leave me a comment, tell me what you liked about it. Maybe throw me a subscribe, share the video, it helps out my channel a lot. Give me some suggestions. What would you like to see me do with the M10 until I get another wheel? Because another wheel will definitely be on the horizon in a couple months. And I'll make more videos with that wheel. But for now, what do you guys want to see me do with the M10? Do you want to see me go ride anywhere? Do you want to see me try to take it on trails? Do you want to see me... Just let me know. Let me know what you want. Let me know if you want to see... I mean, I don't know. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.